Subscribe to Hasnain Tech and press the bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to make a website using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code is a text editor for programming websites. Otherwise, you can use Notepad. You can code in the Notepad too, but I'm installing Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so this is Visual Studio Code is best for coding. I prefer to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, click on the link. The link will be given in the description. Download. Wait for download. Code is downloaded. Open the file. Click on I accept the agreement. Next. I want to create the desktop icon. Next. Install it. Finally, our Visual Studio Code is installed. I'm going to light Visual Studio Code now. Finish. Close it. Here is the Visual Studio Code desktop icon, and this is our Visual Studio Code. So we will start coding. Okay, close the welcome tab and minimize it. Right click on the desktop and click on new. Create a new folder in first website. Okay, then drag this to your Visual Studio Code or any text editor. So here is our first website folder. We don't have anything in this folder, so we should create new files. First, you should create HTML a file. Name it index.html. Enter. Here is your HTML tag and close it. And create new CSS file also. Name it main.css. Okay. So go to the website here. Type exclamation mark, and here is the amet abbreviation. When you click on it, it's the shortcut for the code. Notepad does not contain this. Okay. So here we go. This is the shortcut for the HTML template. Let me show you. This is title, means that the name on the tab is the title. Let me show you. Minimize it and open your folder. Click on index. This is the web page. We did not do anything in the web page, so it is not showing anything. Okay, so in Visual Studio Code, we should save this first. Control S, or you can click on the save button, or you can press Control S and refresh it. Here we go. The document is written on the tab title. This is called the title. Now, if you can edit it. We can edit to first website. Save it and go to the browser, refresh. Here we go, first website. This is the title. Okay, so we'll start coding. The body is this. This is the body of the web page. You can type a heading, not like this. Heading 1, there are so many headings. Heading 2, heading 3. This is heading. I'm showing you this for example. Save it and go to browser, refresh it. This is the heading. You can see this. This is heading first. Okay, look at heading 1. You can copy and paste. You can. There is heading 2 also. If you want to see heading 2. There are headings till heading 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, let's save this and we'll go to back to browser, refreshing. This is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6, the last one. Okay. So I want to make the website beautiful and very good. Okay, we'll delete this stuff and let's start coding. Okay. Heading 1, my first website. Okay. Save this and click on here and type link. Okay, this link. CSS styles your web page. Okay, so you should type the location of the main CSS. Main CSS. Here we go. Okay, main CSS. This is the main CSS. Save it, and I misspelled here. Save it. Go to browser, refresh it. My first website. Okay, and P means paragraph. You can type anything. Lorem, ipsum, dolor. This is the debitis. Okay, wait. Yes. Save it. This is the paragraph. Okay. Or you can type anything you want in the paragraph. I will type this is paragraph. Copy this, paste. Okay, save it, and here we go into CSS. So first you should name the heading 1 with class or ID. Okay. I will name it by ID and I will name it heading. Okay, I will show you. Save it, refresh it, nothing will happen. This is the paragraph, leave it, nothing will happen when you ID. Okay, so I will show what happens with hiding, with ID, what should we do with ID. Okay, go to main CSS, and if there is ID, you should type hash, or if it's not ID and if it's class, you should type first dot full stop and then the name of the class. So we made the ID hashtag heading. This is the ID heading. Now we type here heading and flower brackets, enter, and you can choose the color of it. Color, there are so many colors given: gray, indigo, green. I will choose chocolate color. Save it. Go to browser, refresh it. Look, the color of the heading is changed to chocolate. You can change the color anything. Black. Here's the black. Black is the default color of the headings and paragraph and so on. I will change it to blue. Blue is my favorite color. And you can change the paragraph. You can edit a paragraph also. So I will add class to the paragraph. Class para. Okay, I will name it para. Here para. And go to main CSS and we'll style it para. Save it. And I said that if there is a class, you should type full stop and the name of the class, para. Okay, dot para, and flower brackets, enter. Color, anything, Dodger blue. Okay, save it to browser. Refresh it. The color changes. You can edit to align text align and center if you want the paragraph center to center. Look, this is the center. I will do the same for the heading. Text align center. Save it. Go back to browser. Refresh it. Look, it's look greater than before, right?
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.